This is Quotient Modular Bathroom Pod, a prefabricated unit for construction projects. Before production begins, each pod is planned through project-based design and 3D modeling, confirming the layout, structure, and connection details. After the design is confirmed, the light-gauge steel is assembled first, forming a strong and stable structure for the bathroom pod. Water supply and drainage pipes are pre-installed in the pod, making final on-site connection faster and easier. To protect the structure in wet bathroom conditions, vapor barrier layers are applied throughout the pod. Fiber cement boards improve strength and moisture resistance, while gypsum boards support a smoother wall with better fire and sound performance. After the panels are installed, joints and edges are sealed before waterproofing to reduce leakage risks. The finished wall modules are then assembled in the factory to form a complete and stable bathroom pod structure. Built-in bottom wheels make the finished pod easier to move during factory handling and site positioning. For lifting and delivery, the complete pod can be moved as one unit, making handling and site positioning more efficient. Inside the pod, fixtures, finishes, and bathroom functions are factory installed, so it arrives ready for final connection.